Hi there. Age-old problem. Doesn't matter how many times you pull that handle, the flush will not flush. We all know that it's the diaphragm inside the siphon that's split. So they only cost pence to buy, but sometimes they're a nightmare to get to. So what you have to do is split the cistern from the pan. These can sometimes be silicone back to the wall. The bolts that hold them down are rusted and you can't get them off, and you have to cut them off with a hacksaw. Can sometimes be a real nightmare. Imagine if you lifted that lid up and you found one of these inside. It's a Dudley 88 Turbo Cyphen. You'd be thinking, wow, easy job. Keep these together, don't even have to turn the water off. Pull that pin out, you split in half like this. You're straight down there to that diaphragm. You can swap it in minutes. You put it back onto the leg. Quite simple to get back on. This one range rates between 7.5 inches to 9.5 inches by putting this plug back in. So this will fit into a lot of different cisterns. So basically one siphon will fit lots of different cisterns. So you've not got to have lots of different siphons in your van. It's very robust plastic. These have been on the go for a long time. I've fitted lots of these. They've got a dual flush, so basically have a full flush or a partial flush, thus saving you water. If you ever come to want to swap one of these, you know, you'd be better off just buying another Dudley 88 Turbo that'll fit straight back onto there because they've been made to go together. Right, so like I said, Dudley 88 Turbo. If you're ever going to mess around with a siphon, I'd fit one of these because you're going to have no problems. And that's why I love plumbing.